Demystifying Lawn Care for English Learners. Hello dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the world of English expressions to explain the term lawn care. You might have heard it, seen it, or even wondered about it. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. Lawn. A lawn is an area of land covered in short, mowed grass. It's typically a part of a garden or a yard in front of a house or around a building. People like having lawns because they provide a green, open space for activities and they look pleasing to the eye. Care. The word care, in this context, means to look after or maintain something. When we talk about caring for something, it means we are giving it attention to ensure it remains in good condition. Put them together, and lawn care refers to the maintenance and upkeep of that green grassy area in gardens or yards. When we discuss lawn care, it's not just about cutting the grass. Here are some activities often associated with it. 1. Mowing. Regularly cutting the grass to keep it short and neat. 2. Watering. Ensuring the lawn gets adequate water, especially during dry periods. 3. Fertilizing. Providing nutrients to the soil for healthier grass growth. 4. Weeding. Removing unwanted plants that compete with the grass for nutrients. 5. Aeration. Making small holes in the soil to allow air, water, and nutrients to penetrate the grass roots. 6. Pest control. Managing insects and other pests that might harm the lawn. 1. Aesthetics. A well-maintained lawn is visually pleasing and can increase the value of a property. 2. Environment. Grass absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, making lawns beneficial for the environment. 3. Recreation. A good lawn provides a space for outdoor activities like playing, relaxing, or even picnicking. So there you have it. Lawn care is all about maintaining and nurturing that green patch of grass in gardens or yards. Whether for beauty, environment, or recreation, a well-cared-for lawn can bring joy to many. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning of lawn care. Happy learning and see you in the next video.